Hi Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome or welcome back to your Twin Flame Soulmate and Love Connection Energy Reading for the month of September 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. Also Cancer, if this message does not resonate with you, you may consider checking your moon, your rising and your Venus sign. Any of those messages may resonate with you. On today's reading here Cancer, we are going to be looking at both your energy and your person energy, as well as some channel messages towards the end of the reading. So please stay tuned until the end of the reading to get some channel messages from your person. So let's get into your reading here. On this side here Cancer is your energy, and on this side here is your person energy. Again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Looking at the sign that I'm getting coming up for you here Cancer, I'm getting a very strong earth energy, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. I'm also getting a very strong water sign, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces, as well as fire sign, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. So you could have any of those signs in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs in their chart. Looking into your energy here Cancer, I'm getting a very strong progressive energy coming up here, especially when it comes into your own healing journey, especially with this 9 of Wands and the 10 of Wands energy coming up here. The first thing that I picked up coming up quite strongly from you here Cancer is that in the past, either recently or far back into the past, with this 9 of Wands energy that I've got coming up here, this is more of like feeling defensive, having a lot of defensive energy coming up here quite strongly. And then another thing that I've got coming up here, this is more of like a recent energy that I've got coming up for you. With this 10 of Wands energy coming up here, I feel like you have starting to realize the baggages and the pain and the trauma that you've been carrying from the past up until this particular point of time. So it's almost that you know what have been blocking you, or at least what have been delaying you here Cancer. So there's a very strong progress energy coming up here, especially on your self-development and your self-healing journey here. Now another thing that I picked up coming up from you here is that with this Knight of Pentacles energy and the 10 of Wands energy coming up here, like I said before, a lot of progress energy coming up here, as well as moving energy. So I feel like you already know what are the things that you need to be working on, what are the things that you need to be healing from here. Like you have this very strong focus, I would say here Cancer. So in the sense of like getting back yourself or being grounded and being stable within yourself here Cancer, you are definitely already on the right track. There are a few things that I would suggest for you here, especially with this Knight of Pentacles and the moon energy. First of all, here with this moon energy here, I feel like the last full moon energy and the upcoming new moon energy in the month of October, and the next coming Mercury retrograde season towards the end of this month of September here Cancer, may be a little bit huge impact on you, or can be a little bit intense for you here Cancer. So please try to focus on what are the suppressed emotion or suppressed feelings that you may have within yourself. Another thing that I've got coming up for you here Cancer is that I'm getting that you might be feeling a little bit stuck, or you might be feeling a little bit stagnancy energy here, in a sense that you know that you've been transforming, you know that you've been doing so much of healing and so much of working on yourself here, but for some reason you haven't really seen any changes, you haven't really seen any progress within yourself. So with this Knight of Pentacles energy coming up is that you are definitely moving in the right direction Cancer, but sometimes this moving energy might be coming up as a little bit of slow process or slow moving energy, and on each step that you are taking, no matter how big and how small progress that you are making here, you are releasing things that you do not need. You are releasing certain pain and certain trauma. So in that sense here Cancer, you are definitely already on the right track. So quite a wonderful energy, I would say, coming in here for you Cancer. Now let's look at into your person energy coming up here. It's quite a good news here as well, because I'm getting that very strong, that very same and strong progress coming up here from your person energy, especially with this 6 of Cups energy coming up here. I'm getting a very strong reunion, reconciliation, as well as coming back towards you. Not only that here Cancer, with this High Priest energy and the Emperor energy that I've got coming up here, is that I feel like your person in the past, they haven't really been in tune within the emotion almost like hiding up their feelings, masking up their feelings. But at this time here, Cancer, they are becoming more in tune with the intuition, as well as becoming the divine masculine or the divine feminine that they're supposed to be. Here does not matter with the gender. And with this Emperor energy that I've got coming in here as well, and combined with this Ace of Swords energy coming in here, for those of you who are currently in a no contact or currently in a no communication, or even like a little bit of communication here and there, with this Ace of Swords energy coming up here, Cancer, I'm getting a very strong, full of honesty, full of clarity, honest open, full of clarity of communication coming up here quite strongly for you. And then lastly here, Cancer, I've got the Sun energy coming in here as well. This is a very strong ultimate happiness energy coming in here. So this is definitely a wonderful energy coming in here for both you and your person here, Cancer, because both of you have gone through a lot of transformation. Both of you have gone through a lot of things on an emotional level, like on a deeper level, I would say here, Cancer. So this is definitely like talking about the next upcoming union with both of you here is definitely nearing by. Another thing that I've got coming up here, Cancer, is that with this Sun energy coming up here, this is definitely like 100% success is guaranteed to you. And all of this intuition, I would say here, especially coming up from your person, they're also like starting to realize about what exactly the connection is about. Like, this is not only about being intimate, this is not only like being in a relationship together, but what is the essence of the connection, what are the healings that they need to be doing within themselves here. So both of you are definitely already on a right track. Now let's look at into the channel messages that I've got coming up from your person here, Cancer. I've got, I wish I could talk to you right now, and then I've also got release the anger coming in here, mask feeling or hidden feelings, and then I've got insecurities. So these are the two major energy that I've got coming up here, serving as a little bit of blockage or road bump at this time. Even though this is more of like a channel messages from your person, I feel like the one with the insecurities here is coming up quite strongly from your energy here, Cancer. Some of you here are still healing and dealing with this insecure energy, while your person here is dealing or healing with masking up their feelings or hiding their feelings and hiding their emotions. So these are the only things that both of you need to be working on at this time. Another thing that I've got coming up from your person here is that for some reason they feel that you are angry at them, like there are some sort of like an anger. So there could be like some miscommunication or unnecessary misunderstanding. Like I said before, the communication between both of you haven't really been going on too well. So I feel like because of this no communication energy here, they might think that you are hating them or you are being angry at them in general. And the overall message that I've got coming up here is that I wish I could talk to you right now. So I feel like this is something that they've been thinking, and they've been like working on picking up the communication between both of you here, Cancer. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if this message resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.